All right, so after a huge hiatus, I finally bought a luxury watch, and it's from Longines. So you guys see it in the thumbnail. So let's just do the unboxing and reveal exactly
what's in the box.
What's in the box. All right, so you guys ready for the unboxing? Let's do it. So comes in. Nice packaging, by the way. You got Longines on the outer box. And of course, you've got that automatic door. I always like that because it makes it very easy to just slide it out. This way you're not like digging in there and ruining the outer box, which you don't typically keep anyway, let's be honest. And then they give you the good old Encyclopedia Britannica. Yeah, look at that, guys. I mean, my car manual is actually thinner than this book right here. But from what I understand, they have this in every single language that's around. They got Russian, Espanol, and so on and so forth. So there you go with that. I'm sure you guys would not want to see a video on that, so we'll put that aside. And then we have a fingerprint magnet box here, sorry. Let's do that. There we go. So you've got a synthetic rubbery feeling box here with Longines on the top. We can see a strip of wood that should be continued as we open up and reveal. Uh-oh, there's a price tag there. Let's just take a look and see. Can we guess the watch based off of the price tag? MSRP, $800. Did Average Joe pay MSRP? Come on, guys. You know me better than that. So, what do we have here? We have the Longines Conquest. Yes. Now, this is not the VHP. This is actually a quartz, and this is their entry-level watch from Longines. And I'm going to actually just change the camera angle and give you guys just some brief views of this, as this is the unboxing. Alright, so just to give you guys just some perspective, I don't think this is real. This feels like it's plastic. I mean, it could be a wood veneer on the top, but I have my doubts about that. But either way, not a big deal. You can even see a little nick there in the plastic. We do get some extra links, and that's always appreciated. And I do have the size to my wrist, as I did open this up before this unboxing. So let's take it off the pillow, which is a nice pillow, by the way. It's definitely better than your standard pillow. And well, I'm not going to spend too much time on that either, because that's not what you're here for, guys. You're here for the watch. So we've got a butterfly clasp. I know this is a favorite amongst a lot of watch collectors. Sarcasm is added, absolutely. But this is actually not your ordinary butterfly clasp. This one actually works very well. And I will mention, and I probably shouldn't, but I will, because they offer you half links, which I do have in the box, it does help you to fine adjust this piece. Now you do get a little bit of wiggle room back and forth, but this is a very solid clasp. It does not come off. It's well hidden, and it's very comfortable on the wrist. I won't mention anything about the fact that it doesn't taper. I'll save that for the review as well, guys. So, this is the entry-level quartz, and I'm going to unscrew the crown because it is a screw-down crown. But take a look at that water resistance. You're getting 300 meters, 1,000 feet of water resistance with this one. You step up to the VHP, and you'll be disappointed, because you're getting 50 meters of water resistance with that watch. So there's a factoid that I bet you guys didn't know. So there you go with that. This one is the big watch that they offer here. So this one it measures in at 43 millimeters. Yes, so this one is going to sit like a pie plate on a lot of wrists, unless you maybe have an 8-inch wrist or above. So I'm going to show this to you on the wrist, and I'm going to leave it at that, guys, because that's going to be the clue that's going to lead me into the review. So there it is on the wrist. I have a 7-inch wrist, and as you can see, yes, this thing is huge. But as you can see, it also is finished very nicely, and it's very readable on the wrist. So stay tuned for the full review, and I'm going to let you guys know whether or not I'm keeping this in the collection and whether or not it's going bye-bye. So let me flip the camera around and give you guys just some final thoughts. All right, so thank you so much for joining me in the unboxing. Definitely stay tuned for the full review. And I also would like to say in this video that I do have some buyer's remorse. You're definitely wanting to check out that video and find out why I am now looking to sell this watch after I just bought it. So you'll definitely want to stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for joining me, and always remember that there's always time to be kind to one another. Please take care of each other, and I'll see you guys next time on Average Joe Watch Reviews. God bless, my friends.